What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be going over Bionano Genomics, ticker symbol BNGO. They announced a pretty substantial catalyst that we have to be looking out for within the next 2 weeks. They also have another big catalyst coming up within the next 3 or 4 weeks. So those are definitely some things that we need to keep a lookout for. Now, today, Bionano Genomics is trading a little bit down. It's down about 10%, but yesterday we saw an absolutely insane rally, and over the last week of trading, Bionano Genomics is up about 20%. So we're going to go over all of the information surrounding Bionano Genomics right now, the catalyst that could send the stock going higher. We're also going to be going over some of the new institutions that have initiated new, very large positions in Bionano Genomics. So I think that this stock could go absolutely insane throughout 2021, and we're going to go over all of the short-term reasons why I think we could see some bullishness going forward. So before we get into all of that information, if you guys enjoy this Bionano Genomics update, please go down and hit that like button and comment down below what price you got into Bionano Genomics at. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video, so you get to stay up to date on all of your favorite stocks, learn about a couple of new ones, and see exactly which options I am trading and which strategies I am using to trade them. So the next catalyst that Bionano Genomics has announced, they are going to be participating in another medical conference. So we've seen with their Cytogenomics Symposium and the Festival of Genomics and Biodata, Bionano Genomics had 2 bullish rallies throughout both of these events. So they have another event coming up, as we see over here, March 1st through March 3rd, and this is going to be Advances in Genome Biology and Technology. If you guys want to read more about this article on your own, you can go onto Bionano Genomics website and look at the events tab. But if we come over here, we can see that the general meeting is AGBT's flagship event for bringing together global leaders, researchers, and innovators. So Advances in Genome Biology and Technology delivers a premier experience where heads of labs, institutions, businesses, keyword here, financial analysts, and other high-level stakeholders come together to advance the field and drive game-changing innovation. Significant scientific advances are announced and showcased. So that's key for Bionano Genomics. We could see a couple more research studies be announced and actually gone over at this event, which would be absolutely amazing for the company. As we've seen with the leukemia studies, the autism studies, every single time that they release a study where the saphyr is shown to be the best in its field, there's nothing else on the market like it, and it really helps the researchers and clinicians really do what they need to do to create better health outcomes for their patients. The stock has gone absolutely crazy. If we come down a little bit further, we can see the meeting format includes daytime plenary sessions that feature invited speakers and abstract selected talks that highlight cutting-edge research across the broad landscape of genomics. Again, that fits right into what Bionano Genomics is doing with their saphyr. I think that this event is going to be absolutely huge, and we could see some great news announced at this event by Bionano Genomics. The evening concurrent session includes experimental and computational approaches for effectively utilizing the latest DNA sequencing technology. So it is a virtual event, and if we scroll down a little bit further, we can see all of the 2021 sponsors, and we can see that 10x Genomics is there, and Bionano Genomics is a sponsor. Now, in addition to this very important catalyst that could send Bionano Genomics stock going way higher in the near future, we also have a lot more institutions buying Bionano Genomics in very large amounts. Over the past couple of weeks, we've gotten a lot of new 13F filings, which show exactly what these institutions are holding. So if we come over here, this is going to be fintel.io, and I've sorted this by the date, and anything highlighted in green is a newly initiated position. We can see that yesterday, Pure Vita Investments announced that they own about 2.1 million shares of Bionano Genomics. That is a very substantial position. We can see that Vanguard has about 7.132 million shares. That is also very big. We can see that Hudson Bay Capital Management up here owns 1.92 million shares. These all highlighted in green are newly initiated. Anything highlighted in red is a closed position. We do have a very substantial position right here in Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund Investor Shares. Now, this is a fund that is currently closed to outside investment, and the last reporting date for this was November 27th, but they own about 5 million shares. And when we get the 13F filings or this NP filing, next we are going to see if they up their share amount or if they lowered it. Now, so we have a lot of institutional investment coming into Bionano Genomics. Now, I've talked a lot about if ARK Invest will put in any money into Bionano Genomics, and at this point, I don't really think that it is the make or break factor in Bionano Genomics' success in the future. Yes, it would provide a massive bump in share price if it came out that ARK Invest took up a position in Bionano Genomics, but for the long term, I don't think that it really matters. It's just kind of adding the cherry on top for this stock if they actually invest into this company. Now, the next catalyst that we have coming up is going to be Bionano Genomics earnings, which is right now projected to be on March 9th, 2021. Now, this is not the exact date. This is the estimated date that they will be reporting their earnings. So the earnings could come out a couple weeks after this date. So we are going to see Bionano Genomics report probably in the beginning to the middle of March. So that's going to be very important. We're going to see some revenue numbers, but what's most important in my opinion is going to be the company's guidance. Right now, the Saphyr is in a research only stage, so it kind of hinders the amount of revenue that Bionano Genomics can collect from its customers. If we go over to Bionano Genomics' Twitter page, we can also see that they have a catalyst coming up in the near future as well. If we come over here, we can see that on February 24th at 7 a.m. Pacific time, we are going to hear Dr. Sven Backlund present how comprehensive detection of structural variation has solved genetic mysteries, brought clarity to genetic disease and cancer, and enables the development of clinical assays. That's going to be very important. If you want some more insight on what Bionano Genomics is doing as a company with their Saphyr, this is definitely going to be something that you want to keep a lookout for. Now, coming down a little bit further, this right here, Compute on Demand, is a pay-per-use computing solution. Going back to Bionano Genomics earnings, so the earnings that they are going to announce is not going to include this pay-per-use computing solution since this is a new development. But in the guidance announcement and the conference call that Bionano Genomics will have on their earnings date, I have a strong suspicion that they are going to be talking about their business model in depth. So we are going to see them talk about this Compute on Demand pay-per-use computing solution and how it is able to reduce the cost for genetic disease analysis by more than 50% and compute time by 30%. So this is actually going to increase Bionano Genomics margin, and it's going to enable them to get this product out to more researchers and clinicians because it is more cost effective and more accurate. So in general, Bionano Genomics has a lot of very bullish things going for it in the near future. The only thing that we need to keep a lookout for is if they are going to be announcing any type of direct offering. We saw this happen with Bionano Genomics in the past where they would run up in share price and announce a stock offering. But in general, I think that is bullish for the future because they are going to be using that capital for researching and developing their Saphyr product and some general corporate purposes. And they might even consider partnering with another company, which I think would really help Bionano Genomics streamline the production of the Saphyr and get it out to as many researchers and clinicians as possible. So if you guys have watched some of my older Bionano Genomics videos, I was talking about some of these in the money contracts that had a little bit of time on them. So let's take a little bit of a look on where those contracts are trading at. So I was calling out these $2 contracts for a while for the August 20th, 2021 expiration date. When we were making videos on this, these were trading at around $5, $6, or $7. You can see right now that they are trading at $12.60. And if you bought these contracts at the time that I I was calling them out. You are well past the break-even point. If I remember correctly, the break-even on these contracts was between $9 and $10, and the stock is currently trading at $14.30 on a significant red day. So you are making so much money on these contracts, and you own the right to exercise your contracts of Bionano Genomics and buy 100 shares per contract at $2, and you still have a lot of time left on these contracts. So if you were able to get into this play, congratulations, and I hope you were able to make some pretty substantial profits and add to your Bionano Genomics position at a very low price. So that is going to be it for this Bionano Genomics update. If you guys enjoyed the information that I provided for you in this video, make sure you go down and hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you turn on that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video, so you get to stay up to date on all of your favorite stocks, learn about a couple of new ones, and see exactly which options I am trading and which strategies I am using to trade them. So I hope you guys are having a really profitable day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.